how's everyone doing? So this is my Kubera candle which I had launched in the sale last time, but I had launched it as a Kubera kit. Many people asked me, can you give us just the candle? And at that point of time I had made exactly few kits, so I didn't want to give only the candle. And the reason behind giving it as a kit also was because there was a mojo bag. Now I will show you all how to use this candle. Those who don't have this candle, I can even tell you all, without the candle also you can do. What you need to do is what we will talk about. We will connect our Kubera candle with the Kubera Mudra, which is the Maha Mudra. Now it is said Maha Mudras are one of the most powerful mudras written in Vedas, or written with from Mahan Siddhas, that the Maha Mudras are always mudras not only for specific things but for anything and everything. Now for example, you all must be wondering, Kubera Mudra is what? Kuber Bhagwan, Dhan ki prapti, money to come. Not necessary, because it's a Maha Mudra now. When you talk about Maha Mudra will also fulfill your other wishes too, or it can also help you with your health issues also. Basically, the main intent why we connect the candle with the Maha Mudra, first I will tell you that. Now usually the Kubera Mudra is where we close these two small fingers and we connect like this. So the tip of the thumb, the tip of the middle finger and the tip of the index finger touches, and these two go inside. Do you know the reason why? Because this is your element of water, this is your element of earth. The ring finger is your element of earth. Now the middle finger is the Akasha, which is the air, or the not the air, sorry, the space, the Akash. Now your index finger is your air, okay, and your thumb is your fire. Now when you suppress the earth and the water, and when you bring the air, the fire and the space element, is basically you are igniting fire to whatever it is that you desire. For example, now I want to buy a house. It's happened with me, so that's why I'm giving that as an example. And one of my very close students, who's more like a family, she taught me this technique at that point of time when I went to Kubera Mandir. So I should definitely thank her for this. So but later on only I tried to analyze why this mudra works for other things also, because I tried for 2-3 things more. So that's the reason I brought in this video. So what happens is, the earth and the water are suppressed and we connect the elements of our fire, air and the space, the Akash. Now what does it do? It ignites compassion, it ignites fire, it makes us become more fearful towards our goal, it makes us more focused towards our goal. It can even be a simple gallbladder stone issue, it can be a kidney issue, it can be stomach pain, it can also be buying a house, it can be anything that you desire. Basically you need to set your desire when you're working on this. Now I have already connected with the fire. Now what does this fire do? In this I have I don't know if you can see from there, I have blended with the special Kubera oil which I make, and I have blended with that, and I have blended with certain herbs, and I have also put glitters in this. Usually we do the Kubera Mudra and we burn this for 10 minutes with the Kubera Mudra. 10 minutes is what you need to do. How do you do is the first thing. What I do is what I'm explaining. I burn the candle. Okay. Now first thing I do is I burn the candle. I have my Kubera statue, so I keep it there and only I burn, but I didn't bring my Kubera statue here today. So I first burn the candle and I take both my hands, and then first I close these and then I bring this. Okay. Now when I close my eyes, I set a goal. I'm not setting a goal here, but I'm just telling you, for example, my cough has to subside. It's an example because of late I am having a cough issue. Okay. So I will breathe in nicely, and then after a gap, after a count of holding 3 to the count of 3, I release it. So I release at the count, after counting the hold of 3. So breathe in, hold till the count of 1, 2, 3 and then release. Now when I am holding it, I tell from inside my cough is getting cured. Okay. Till I say that my cough is getting cured, definitely it will go more than the count of 3. Now for example, you feel that you want to buy a house, so, or you want to buy a dream car, you want to get into a university which is your dream university, or you want all the richness in the world, or you want a healthy life, whatever it is you desire. Let me repeat, whatever it is that you desire, you just keep it like this. You sit somewhere where you'll not be disturbed. Sit straight, keep your hands, okay, and then now you must be wondering, what does this do? Now 10 minutes, I usually keep my timer and then I do this. In this 10 minutes, what happens is your center point, the third eye, gets focused to whatever you're talking, and then with the help of the akash, the air and the fire, your aura starts attracting that fire energies, and this energy speedens them. For example, now I have kept like this, I have kept it in this way. Now this is how I keep, okay. After keeping in this way, I just keep straight. When I say that from inside, basically on my third eye, those words are going, and they will help me in setting my desires and in manifesting those desires. That is where it works beautifully. After 10 minutes, what you do, you just take the cap of the candle and then you snuff it. That's it. And then it just goes off. And then again the next day you can burn it. This is how you do this. It's a very simple thing. You might ask me, Pinky ji, how many days, how many months it will take? See, every energy, every magic works with how much you believe in it and how much faith you have in it, more than you believing in what I am saying. With dedication and faith, you can achieve anything. For some, it might be 11 days, for some 21 days, for some 30 days. God gives you earlier. What do these candles do? They help us to achieve what we need little before than what is destined for us to come, or when it is destined for us to come. Do this with faith and dedication. Do it every day 10 minutes, snuff off the candle. If you want, you can even pick 2-3 candles and keep, and you can do. I don't have candles, I cannot spend on a candle. Just do the mudras. Anything done with intent and anything done with positive faith and dedication, even the universe has to give you what you need. I hope you all enjoyed this mudra. I want to bring in certain mudras related to health, related to abundance, related to prosperity. So if you like it, do leave a comment on this video so that I will bring more such videos. Have a great day to you all. Thank you.